If no one has told you this today, let me be the first person to tell you that you are going to be an amazing nurse. I know you might not believe me right now. I know you might feel like you're juggling a million different balls, you're stressed out, you don't have enough time to focus on taking care of patients. There's all this paperwork to do, and no one's even told you you're doing a good job. But let me tell you that the world needs more nurses who care, and I have full confidence in you that you can do this. In 2012, I withdrew from nursing school, but 15 months later, I graduated with my BSN, and now NRSNG has grown to reach and to help nursing students all around the world. The reason I withdrew from nursing school was because the overwhelm, the stress, the politics, the negativity ate me up, and I just didn't feel like I could do it anymore. And in 2014, I started NRSNG with the mission of helping nursing students know that they can do it, to helping to change nursing education, helping nursing students realize that it doesn't have to be that